ladies, my name is Bren and I am coming to y'all from Wig Studio 1. We are having a sale right now on Ellen Wille products until Monday. And if you use the promo code Friday35, you can receive 35% off. And if you use Beautiful You, you can receive 30% off most other items. We have a Facebook group as well. It is called Wig and Topper Help for those with hair loss. It is a group of about a little over 4,000 ladies at this time, loving each other and helping each other through the struggles that we deal with as women going through hair loss. So we'd love to have y'all there. Okay, let's get to the review. This is Icone in light Bernstein rooted, and it is their Hair Society collection. And this collection is designed for women specifically going through hair loss where they have little to no hair. My hair is very thin, so I shaved it the other day. The cap is 100% hand tied and it has an extended lace front. It has a full mono top that's hand tied. And then it has this extended lace. If you see, it goes all the way over to the ear tab. It's not just temple to temple. It goes all the way to the ear tab. It has velvet on the ear tabs, velvet on the nape, elastic adjusters, hand-tied cap. It is very, very light. Let's put her on. Cute. Well, that was easy. It is a petite to average cap. Let me show you the lace front. And here it is all the way over here. Right there. See? This color is so nice because I feel like not only blondes can wear it, but so can brunettes. Light Bernstein rooted. Okay, this weighs 3.7 ounces, so it is very, very light. And it just has a tiny lift, but it doesn't have a bunch of permatease in it. Just a little right here to give it some lift. The front is 4 inches. The crown is 9.5. The sides are 9. And the nape is 5. Let me do a spin for you. She is such a cute bob. And in the description it says you can flip her under or out. Oh, you can. I like both. She is definitely thin enough. You could put behind the ears. I think she would be really cute for summer. You can part her any direction. With her being a full mono top, you can part her to the right or the left or the middle. You could pull her back. I don't know about... Yeah, that would be cute. And then pull this down. Cute, cute. And if you are a bang wearer, you can see she can do both. This cap is so comfortable. I've never put on one from their Hair Society collection. Or you can wear off the face. This is really a neat one. She's easy too. She's very easy. I think she's just a shake and go. Alright guys, if you found the review helpful, like and subscribe, and I hope to see y'all over on our Facebook group. Bye.